Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. After bringing back the 1990s Splash appearance package last fall, Ford will release a small run of 3 newly developed colors for the 2022 Ranger pickup truck. The Splash limited editions are available only once every couple of months throughout the year, meaning a one-and-done deal. The latest includes Snow Edition, Forest Edition, and Sand Edition. The first of these offerings, Snow Edition, is available on the Ranger Lariat and is expected to drop in spring 2022. Inspired by winter, this option adds avalanche exterior paint and grille inserts with magnetic trim. The interior features seating upholstered in ebony leather with ash gray contrast stitching. Other interior details include carbon weave tuxedo stripes and bolsters and black accents throughout the cabin. Ranger models sporting the Snow Edition treatment will be limited to roughly 750 examples. Next up is the Forest Edition, pictured up top, available on XLT models and launching in the summer and limited to around 500 units. Forest Edition Rangers feature the most eye-catching color combination, with forged green exterior paint, magnetic trim, and red grille inserts. Inside, it carries over the same design materials from the Snow Edition and adds ebony cloth trimmed seats instead of leather. Last but not least is the Sand Edition. Also optional on the Ranger XLT, the Sand Edition is very similar to the Forest Edition, with the only difference being the desert sand exterior paint job. This option will be available for about 500 customers and released in the fall. The Splash Limited Edition package will add $1,495 to your 2022 Ford Ranger, if you move quickly enough to secure one of these limited run models.